John, IBM's quarterly earnings coming in 17 cents above Wall Street estimates. So a big beat fueled by artificial intelligence bookings. That's clients looking to IBM to accelerate workflows, lean on AI to bring costs down. IBM's artificial intelligence business has now grown to more than $5 billion. That's $2 billion more than last quarter. CFO Jim Kavanaugh telling CNBC, quote, DeepSeek validates their strategy that open versus a closed model is much more ubiquitous. Back to the numbers, total revenues for the quarter did come in line. Software grew double digits and now represents about 45% of total sales. Gross margins, worth noting, better than expected. Currency was a headwind. But for 2025, when you look at free cash flow, they expect that to increase to $13.5 billion. It was in the $12 billion range in 2024, and shares are responding positively, John, with shares up about 9% here in overtime.
Yes, indeed. Seema Modi, thank you. I did also speak with IBM CEO Arvind Krishna about these results. I want to bring you some of his commentary on the software business. He said software did double digits, 11%. Great performance in Red Hat, which I know you still follow in the corner of your heart. So Red Hat did 17%. And we kind of like said that, look, 23 was going to be a trough. They're going to improve to 2024, but we did even better than I think we were expecting. He also talked about the consulting business, which has been a tough go. They're operating a little bit, a couple points below the market when it comes to growth. But he said the good news there is we had an outstanding signings quarter. We did $9 billion in signings in the fourth quarter. We're entering with a great book to bill. When we look at that, it kind of points to recovery will happen. But I'm not going to look at you and say recovery is going to happen in the first quarter. We also talked about those currency headwinds that Seema mentioned. He said actually currency is probably going to be more like 2.5. That's points of headwind, I think, as opposed to just 2. So it is significant. It's going to cost us a lot. That's mostly the top line. We're not looking to say that our bottom line cash flow earnings get overly impacted because we can go manage that depending on where the costs are and how we get things. Now, I also talked to Arvind about DeepSeek. And he, similar to the CFO, talked about it being a validation. He said, I think the last time I talked to you, I said, look, I think small models are going to be the winner, not just big models. And I believe that we need to drop the cost of both training and inference, I believe, to 3% of the current number, 1/30. I think DeepSeek was just a proof point of the journey that we have been on inside IBM. And as we look at how those shares are doing so far in overtime, where are they? Now up 11.5%.
Big move for Big Blue.
Yeah, more on the call, I guess.